It will soon be able to do anything that any human can possibly do within the next year or so. Elon Musk recently shared that the Tesla Optimus Gen 3 2025 has been upgraded to take on 35% more tasks after passing demanding tests and is now officially a professional masseuse. Today, we'll change how you see what robots are really capable of. Think robots can't do massages or play tennis? That's completely wrong. The Tesla Optimus Gen 3 2025 has just been revealed with a stunning transformation. Now equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and tendons, along with 22 degrees of freedom in its hands. It can perform intricate tasks, carefully controlling pressure to guarantee the most precise results. Hard to believe? Well, stick with us until the end of today's episode, and we'll show you how Tesla Optimus handles most household chores using its sensor-driven hands with the same expertise as human hands. So what exactly can the Tesla Optimus Gen 3 2025 do? Elon Musk has made major progress in improving how Optimus interacts with the world. Its hands aren't just capable of picking things up. They can also perform extremely delicate actions, such as massaging. When we say gentle, we really mean it. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 can adjust its grip and force to provide the perfect amount of pressure needed for therapeutic massages, thanks to its advanced tactile sensors. It's like having your own personal masseuse, one who never gets tired, never complains, and always knows exactly the right amount of pressure. And let's be honest, who wouldn't love a soothing massage after a long, hard day of work, without the hassle of waiting in long lines or paying for costly massages at spas? The evolution of Optimus never stops, and its abilities keep impressing. The 2025 version promises to be faster, more agile, and far more nimble than its predecessors. With a 10 kg weight reduction, it's much lighter than the Gen 1, and it's 60% quicker than the first-generation model. It can easily navigate tight spaces like factories, crowded streets, or restaurants, and it's capable of climbing stairs, both up and down, while maintaining exceptional balance, almost like a professional gymnast. Let's get into the details, because that's where Tesla really excels. Optimus's new feet are far from an afterthought. They've been re-engineered to mimic the human foot's shape and flexibility. This means that the robot can walk in a far more natural way and can handle tricky terrain without missing a step. No more awkward or rigid movements. Optimus moves like it's been walking on Earth its entire life, and it gets even better. The newly designed neck with 2 degrees of freedom lets Optimus move its head more smoothly. These small design improvements transform Optimus from just another robot into something you can interact with and communicate with. And here's the cherry on top. Optimus Gen 3 can now play tennis. It's no longer limited to lifting boxes or putting things together. This robot now has finely tuned reflexes capable of catching and throwing a tennis ball. This is the kind of robot that could easily become your workout buddy or even your tennis partner. The Tesla team is working hard to enhance the tactile sensors, improve joint flexibility, and make Optimus even faster and more agile. So when Elon Musk says Optimus will soon be as helpful as your very own C-3PO or R2-D2, he's definitely not joking. If Elon Musk is right, would you want the Tesla Optimus to take on even more advanced tasks? Feel free to share your thoughts below, with a 1 if you agree and a 2 if you disagree. Thank you so much for your input. Now, let's talk about how Tesla Optimus will truly speak. You'll soon be able to customize its personality, voice, and even more, allowing the robot to understand you and your preferences over time. It won't even need you to say anything, as it will be able to recognize and anticipate your needs. In reality, finding an assistant who genuinely understands your habits, preferences, and sense of humor is hard enough with humans, let alone with machines. Look, we don't just want our assistants to complete tasks. We want them to understand us, speak in the way we like, and integrate smoothly into our daily lives. This is exactly what Elon Musk and Tesla are working toward with the next-gen Optimus robot, version 3. Imagine a robot that not only speaks your language but also adapts to your way of communicating. Whether you shout at it to bring you your morning coffee or quietly ask it to adjust the temperature while you're on a call, Optimus will handle it all. Elon Musk recently confirmed that future updates will let users customize the robot's voice, tone, and even its personality. Do you want it to be all business? No problem. Would you prefer a more friendly assistant who occasionally cracks a joke? That's fine too. Optimus will seamlessly blend into your life, becoming an extension of yourself. Now let's focus on the brain behind all this power. Right now, Optimus uses 2D cameras to map out its surroundings and perform tasks by seeing what's in front of it. These cameras, connected to Tesla's advanced neural network, allow Optimus to navigate both your home and workplace with precision. But Tesla isn't stopping there. Imagine a future where Optimus features an interactive facial display, capable of showing key information, responding with speech, or even reacting visually to your commands. Tesla, already a leader in AI and machine learning, could easily add microphones and speakers, making communication even more natural. With natural language processing, NLP, software running in tandem with Optimus's deep learning models, it's not just about speaking, it's about understanding. Whether you speak English, Spanish, or even a regional dialect, Optimus will adapt and respond just as effectively. Even better, it will learn your communication style over time. Speak quickly, it will keep up. Prefer a slower pace? Optimus will adjust accordingly. The real magic of Optimus lies in its learning capabilities. Unlike other humanoid robots that require constant programming or months of training, Optimus will learn quickly. You won't have to explain every single instruction. It will observe, predict, and act. Simply point to the fridge, then to your cup, and it will bring you a beer without asking questions. The more you interact with Tesla Optimus, the smarter and more intuitive it becomes. It will remember how you like your morning routine, anticipate your needs, and adapt to your habits. Previously, Tesla demonstrated earlier versions of Optimus performing practical tasks like conversing in English at a press event or chatting in Spanish with guests. It even sang happy birthday and had a casual conversation with celebrity Kim Kardashian. With new updates focusing on self-learning and personalization, Optimus is set to become the ultimate assistant for your home, business, and beyond. This is how it will seamlessly integrate into your life, making your day-to-day easier so you can focus on what truly matters, whether it's learning new skills, taking care of your family, or enjoying activities with your children. Let's talk about Tesla Optimus Gen 3's new hands. Tesla is pushing the limits of what a robot can do, and Optimus is leading the way. This isn't some flashy gimmick. Optimus is built to address real-world challenges we face every day, and yes, that includes dealing with water exposure. That's right, Tesla is ensuring that Optimus can handle even the messiest situations. We've all seen what happens when electronics come into contact with water, and it's usually a disaster. But Tesla has taken a different approach. Optimus's internal components are carefully protected in water-resistant casings made from durable materials like ABS and polycarbonate. Its joints and connectors are sealed with gaskets and special coatings to keep water out. Even the circuit boards get extra protection with a conformal coating, and the cables feature waterproof connectors to prevent leaks. Tesla didn't overlook a single detail when making sure this bot can handle wet environments. Now you won't have to worry about a splash ruining your $20,000 robot. In fact, reports suggest that Tesla is pushing Optimus to its limits at their Palo Alto headquarters. Picture Optimus walking up hills, enduring wet conditions, and handling anything you throw at it. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll wait for Elon Musk's official word. So, after all, Tesla is known for keeping their secrets close to the chest. If everything goes according to plan, the Optimus Gen 3 by 2025 could officially be IP67 certified. That means it will be fully dust-proof and capable of surviving being submerged in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. Imagine that. A robot built to handle more than just dry indoor spaces. One ready to face real-world conditions. And let's not forget about the hands. Let's face it, if Tesla hadn't perfected that part, we'd all be scratching our heads. Picture a robot with clunky, useless hands that can't do anything but awkwardly shuffle around. But Tesla's not in the business of creating robots like that. The new hands are sleek, functional, and human-like. If Tesla had chosen a less polished design, say a robotic arm from a competitor, no one would want that thing anywhere near their home. Tesla knows that a great robot isn't just about speed. It's about making it feel natural, something you can live with comfortably. Now let's consider the real game changer. Would you be willing to pay $100 a month for a Tesla robot to clean your house? Think about it. Sure, we already have robotic vacuums, but let's be honest, they're limited. No one relies on a vacuum to do laundry or take out the trash. But Optimus? This robot could do it all. Vacuuming, dusting, collecting dirty dishes, cleaning windows, organizing toys. Whatever needs to be done, Optimus can handle it. You won't have to give it a second thought. Just tell it what you need and it's done. When it comes to laundry, Optimus can collect, sort, wash, fold, and even hang clothes without breaking a sweat. If you had a Tesla Optimus Gen 3 in your home, what would you want it to do first? Cleaning, cooking, or becoming your workout partner? Let's take things up a notch. What if Optimus became your home security system for just $20 a day? This robot could monitor your home, keep intruders away, and even send you alerts if something seems off. Imagine this. You're away from home and Optimus is keeping watch. The moment something strange happens, you'll get an alert. It could even mimic a dog barking to scare off burglars. It's like having an extra layer of protection that never sleeps. With security systems becoming smarter every day, Tesla is setting the bar high. They're combining Sentry Mode with live robot video feeds to create a truly next-level automated security system, possessing the capacity to render support in scary situations complicated. The security system Tesla has combined with TRP. This isn't just about what Optimus can do. It's about how perfectly it fits into your life, making everything smarter, easier, and safer. The future is here, and it's looking much more convenient and secure than we could have ever imagined. How much faster is Tesla Optimus Gen 3? Tesla Optimus has made amazing progress toward becoming the humanoid robot that could redefine how we live, work, and interact with technology. But let's face it, nobody wants to spend $20,000 on a robot that moves like your grandfather on a slow stroll and doesn't deliver the world-changing utility we expect from something that groundbreaking. Speed, agility, and functionality. These are the key factors, and Tesla understands that. That's why Elon Musk and his team have been working on 4 major updates